Going on, traders? Welcome back to another video. Today is Friday. We finished the week off and we're down today. We're down, I think, a little more than 50 bucks if I'm not mistaken. Um Today was a very emotional day for me. Everyone has emotions. Everyone has to learn how to control their emotions, but today I don't know what it was. I don't know if it was just the thought of it's Friday, let me take profits, let me not let anything ride. But I really did not trade well today. I'm not super happy with myself. I'm not and I'm at the same time I'm not beaten up. I'm not beat up with myself. Like I'm not going to go through depression over this, but at the same time I knew I could have performed better. I took fantastic ideas and I just could not execute. I mean I just could not execute on some of them, and others I just sold way too quickly. So now these two lines that I just drew on were support and resistance pre-market lines. Um if we look at market open, this is 9:30 candle right here. Um I took a position on Apple 249.99, so 250 pretty much. Boom. Now I'm gonna do a little breakdown on this. Why did I take it? Okay. First of all, it was under pre-market support. We came down, we bounced off of a pre-market, made a new low. It didn't bounce off of nothing, but it made a new low. It cracked support level, made a new low, so this was our new support level. Came back, got rejected by the support level. Now, support was acting as a resistance. Now we were setting up for a short. Once we saw this being rejected and had a consolidation at this 250 level roughly, just a little under, but 250 is where I got in. um you can clearly see that it came down, got rejected by 250, bounced back up, and I shorted on this candle right here. So at 250 I took a short. My stop loss was right here, so it was about a 40-cent stop. Fantastic. It came down, it opened up with the new candle and just started pushing up. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. What was wrong with that is that I sold my position and didn't stick to my original stop loss. I don't know why. I do not really understand why there is no reason to sell. There was no reason to do anything in this point. I should have just set up my stop loss and just accepted the risk. I guess looking back at it now, I wasn't accepting the risk. I was trading with emotions. I had a fantastic idea and I just couldn't accept the risk. I couldn't be wrong. So when it started coming against me and I was wrong, I came out with a loser, and I created the very experience that I was fearing. So that's why people say, like, your emotions, you got to keep them in check, and fear is a stronger emotion than greed. Well, fear in this case, my fear, my emotion created my reality. I was scared of losing money, and that's exactly what happened. I was risking about 50 cents in this case, and it came down all the way to 248.50. That's $1.50. That's 3 to 1. I had, I think, 200 shares, so you can do the math. That was like 350 bucks or something like that. I really don't know, but you know, we all make mistakes. I understand that I let emotions get to me. And I really just gotta trade better. I gotta just stick to my plan. Unfortunately, stuff like this happens. I missed out on a fantastic move. Could have been up well over $500 today. I'm not, and now we just gotta move forward. So looking at my next trade, I took a position on BA. I took a long position at 160.63, 160.63. So I took this position right here. I took it right here. Stop loss right here. I bought, came down, touched my stop, and I just got out for a loser. There wasn't really anything I could have done, but possibly move my stop a couple cents under. Maybe that would have saved me. I don't think so. I really don't. But I think I had a good idea. I knew it had a resistance right here. It came down, created a support right here, was creating a higher support right here in this level at this time. Took a position and just completely got faked out. Um, Now what I could have waited was for the first candle to open up above resistance or above near resistance. So like this candle closed above. Could add my stop here and then end up hitting a target, but I didn't. Stop got taken out and that was a loser. So now taking a look at ZM. ZM was a very, very quick scalp. I took it with very small shares. I think I took it with 50 shares. So I knew I was getting the stock late. So that's why I took small shares. But it had broken over its pre-market resistance. Um I was trading the strategy first pullback. So it had its first pullback, came down, immediately got back up. I got in and I sold it for about an R. So if I got in here, I sold it for 79. I got in at 102.79, so I sold about 103.79. So I sold almost dead top. I think after this candle opened and it started coming down. Um should have got in with the original size if I was just taking the position. Um Yep, I would have been green today if I did. It was a good idea. This is usually a strategy. Um, yep, but that concludes this video. Um, very emotional day. I'm finishing the week, break even, just surviving, and then last week I made like 1,500. So it's no biggie. We're just I'm happy to even survive in the market like this. There were 100,000% enough opportunities to be green. I'm not green, so I'm just going to learn from the mistakes I made. And yep, so this concludes this video. If you guys enjoyed, leave a like and a comment. And I'll leave my Discord down below if you guys are interested in that. And thanks for watching.